Yeah. Take pictures now.
Good morning.
That way. Because they're gonna have like I have no idea. Am I start posing?
Are we good, Chris? All right.
Hi, I'm Janelle Wellens, an Instrument Operations Engineer here at JPL. Welcome to JPL's Mission Control, a place we call the center of the universe. Why do we call it the center of the universe? Well, JPL has been exploring our solar system for more than 60 years, and all the engineering and science data from our missions flow through this room over a vast communication system known as the Deep Space Network. The Deep Space Network team sits here in the first two rows. 3 rotating teams keep the data flowing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Did you know in 1969, our DSN antennas helped communicate Neil Armstrong's famous line,
At 1 4/5 of man, 1 5/8 of man.
This year, we're excited to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Apollo 11 and that historic moment. And we're very excited about NASA's new goal to send humans back to the moon by 2024. Today, our work in this room takes us far beyond the orbit of the moon. This visualization represents the 3 antenna complexes located around the world. Those squiggly lines represent commands being sent up and data flowing down from spacecraft located all around our solar system. Further right, on the other side of the window, is our critical operations room. You may recognize it if you watched the landing of NASA's InSight mission on Mars last November. There will be lots of excitement again in that room when we attempt to land another rover on Mars, send a spacecraft to investigate Europa's oceans, and another to orbit a giant iron asteroid. All of that is expected to happen over the next 5 years. Finally, as you leave, be sure to check out our photo gallery to see space images from our past and present missions. And don't forget to grab one of our stickers on the way out. It's proof that you spent some time in the center of the universe. Thanks for stopping by.
Come on in. Once you've gotten a look at a picture, make sure you scoot on down to the left. That way the next person can see as well, okay? Hi, bud. Are you having fun today? Yeah. Cool. I can't tell if that's astonishment or boredom, but I'll take either one. All right, everybody, if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask the mission team downstairs. Mars 2026 downstairs right by the exit. Once you've gotten those photos, go ahead and make your way just out the exit there, okay?